Triangle.
Very good. And then this one?
This one, blue in color. Square. Square.
Square. And then where is rectangle? What color is rectangle? Tell me now.
Rectangle color. Where is rectangle? Where is
What color
rectangle?
is it? Yes, good morning, Devjesh. Yes, ma'am. Finish out. Okay, wait, Ashni, wait. Children, those who have joined now, take your rough notebooks. Draw all these shapes in your rough notebook and you color. Good morning, Ritvik.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, come on, take your rough notebook. Draw all these 8 shapes and you have to color. Okay, make sure you know all these shapes. Okay, circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Here you have brown color. It is rectangle. And then oval, heart, heart shape, and then star. Okay, come on, all these shapes you must know. Have to color and you have to draw it neatly, children. Yes, good morning, Karthikeyan. Zeddy, come on, you draw it and color, ma. While drawing itself, you have to say, this is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. Yeah, I can see, Hashni. Very nice, Hashni. Very good, Hashni. Well done. Very good. What are the shapes in that?
சொல்லு இது என்ன ஷேப் இல்ல நீங்களும் காணும் சர்க்கிள் brown இது என்னது rectangle இது square diamond இது என்னது triangle heart star oval rectangle.
Very good, Mahashni. Well done. Next, who else finished? Darshika, good morning.
Ma'am, Tanika.
Darshika, good morning. Wait, ma, Tarnika. Darshika, good morning, Darshika. So sleepy, Darshika. What happened? What, ma? What happened, Darshika? Crying, ah?
Yes, ma'am, she's crying.
Why? Why, ma, Darshika? What happened? Oh my God. Why my sweetie is crying? Come on, Darshika. Why, ma? You'd say, ma'am, I will ask your mama. Come on. Tell me what happened. Unmute and tell me. Come on. Come on, tell me. Darshika, you are going to draw now. See the shapes. You like shapes, right? You are going to draw the shapes and you are going to color. Yes, okay. Darshika is going to color beautifully today. Okay, Darshika? And Mama is going to give you stars also. Okay, now smile.
Smile.
Smile. Good girl. Smile. Give high five to her, Darshika's mom.
High five.
High five. Oh, that means you're angry with Mama. Yes. Something you did. Come on, Darshika. I'll ask her. Come on. We'll give a punishment to your Mama also. Come on. You draw and color. Come.
Okay, ma'am. I'll make
Good girl. Okay. Danvin finished. Tarnika finished. Show me. Danvin and Tarnika.
Ma'am, Tanika.
Yeah, name the shapes.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, hearts, diamonds.
Very good, Tarnika. Now Danvin. Very good, Tarnika. Well done.
Shapes ma'am கூப்பிடுறாங்க சொல்லுங்க என்ன ஷேப்ஸ் கூப்பிடுறாங்க
Yes, ma, Danvin. I'm asking you only. Tell me, ma.
Circle, rectangle, oval, diamond, heart, star.
Very good, Danvin. Wonderful, Danvin. And your coloring is also nice. Very good. Thank you so much, Danvin. Next, who else finished? Yeah, good. Give a high five to Danvin. Give high five to Tarnika. Tarnika's mom and Dhanvin's mom. High five.
Ma'am,
Yeah, good. I can't see you. Who's this Dikshana? Vishank. Vishank, why I am not able to see you?
ma'am,
Enable your video, come on.
It's
Vishank.
not.
Janvi, good morning. Vishank.
I feel angry.
Ma'am,
You are
video
very...
is
Sorry?
video. It got disconnected, ma'am. I'm just trying to connect it back.
Okay, okay, no issues. Okay. Vishank. Vishank, you are going to draw all these shapes on your own and you are going to color. Okay, Vishank, will you do that?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Very good boy, Vishank. Janavi, good morning, Janavi. Morning time itself, you are yarning, Janavi. Come on, draw the shapes and color, Janavi. 8 shapes are there. You have to draw all these shapes and color, okay?
Ma'am, finish.
Yes. Nitila, very good, Nitila. Come on, tell me what are the shapes? Yeah, I can see Vishank now. Oh my God. Yes, Pranita, mute yourself. I'll be back, Pranita. Children, all of you mute yourself, children. Yes, I'll finish with Nitila and I'll come back, okay? Pranita, mute yourself. Janvi, mute yourself. Come on. Nitila is saying the shapes. Come on. Janvi, mute ma. Vishank, mute yourself ma. And now Nitila, tell me. Yes. Who is that crying? Yeah, Pranita, I told you to mute yourself, Pranita. I will come and ask you. Mute yourself, please. Come on. I'll call you and I'll ask you, okay? Okay, well done, Nitila. Very good. Next is... Sorry. Dev Krish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dev Krish. Yeah, tell me what are the shapes in that. Good. Very good, Dev Krish. Loudly you have to say, okay? Very good, ma. Well done, Dev Krish. Okay, next, Pranita. Pranita.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Yeah, come on.
Circle, square,
Hmm. What is that?
rectangle.
What color is that?
Ooh.
What color you have colored?
Green.
Green means it's triangle, right? What you have drawn, Mas? Show closely,
Yes.
I'll see. Show me. Show it closely, I'll see whether it is triangle. Yeah, it is triangle. Good. Triangle, ma. That is triangle. Hmm. Rectangle, you already said. Oval.
Square.
Square, you already said it is blue in color.
Heart.
Diamond, where is diamond, ma? Where is diamond? Okay, diamond you left out, right? Very good, Pranita. Well done. Next, who else finished, children? Come on, we have to start the session. Come on, children. Who else?
Dikshan finish.
Yeah, Dikshan. Come on, show me your shapes. Come on, read out the shapes fast, Dikshan. Come on. Fast, fast.
Circle. Triangle. Square.
You don't know?
Diamond.
Mm. 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 Why? What happened to your mouth? Oh, what happened to your mouth? Pranking. This boy also started pranking me. Diction. Naughty boy. Very good diction, and your coloring is also nice diction. Well done. Next time try using your scale, okay? Okay, very good diction. Next, who else, children? Come on.
Mama, Sirat.
Yeah, Siddharth. Fast, Siddharth. Yes, who else finish? I'm going to tick out your names. Come on.
Shape.
Shapes only say. Come on, say Siddharth.
Circle.
Show me your page and you tell me. Where is your drawing?
Rectangle.
Ah,
Rectangle.
point out your shape. Point out and you say, ma.
Circle point.
Circle point, okay. You point out, Siddharth's mom, let him say. You point out.
Yay.
You point.
Okay, keep it down. You point out and you say, look at your book and say.
What is this?
Circle. Circle. When am I finished?
Yeah, one by one. Siddharth, don't take lot of time, Siddharth. We are going to start the session. Come on, fast. Finish? Siddharth. See, yesterday I fought with your mama. Now what are you doing? Okay, at the end I'll ask you, okay? I'll finish with Rohita and I'll come back. Be sure with the shapes. Okay, Kana? Come on, Rohita. Tell me fast. Come on.
What is this?
What?
Yeah, fast ga. Circle.
Circle.
Hi. Arga choose chapo.
Square and rectangle are different, children. Square, all the sides are equal. But rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 small sides. Yes?
Heart symbol.
Mm.
Rectangle.
Very good.
Mm.
Diamond.
Very good.
Star. Ma'am, I finished.
Well.
Oval.
Oh, well, it looks like O, right? Oh, well. That's it, Rohita? Very good, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Give high five to your mama. Come on.
Ma'am.
Yes, done. Yes, come on, Naitik. Yeah, tell me, Naitik.
Last one, eh?
Naitik, come on. Mute yourself, Rohita. Tell me, Naitik. Show me your shape. Star. What is that star? Yeah, star. Now, come on, tell me. Fast, Naitik. Fast.
Star. Circle this. Heart. Circle heart. Circle. Triangle. Oval. Square. Diamond. Finish. Very good, Naitik. Nukshita, come on. Yes.
Come on. You named all the shapes, huh?
Yes.
You named it, huh? Correctly, she named it Nukshita's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Nukshita. And I'm marking you. Thank you, Nukshita. Next is Karthikeyan, Vivan. Nukshita, I heard you, Nukshita. You mute yourself. I'll finish with Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, come on fast, Karthikeyan. 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 Network issue is there. Okay. Next is Vivan. Point out your shapes, Vivan. Karthikeyan, there is issue with your audio and video. I'm not able to see you and I'm not able to hear you also. One more time we'll try, Karthikeyan, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now it's
Now I can hear him. 1 minute, I'll finish with Vivan and I'll ask you Karthikeyan, okay? 1 minute, okay? Yeah, come on, Vivan, fast, Vivan, I'm waiting for you.
Hurry up. What is this?
Vivan, don't do like
Actually,
this, Vivan.
and he is not drawing the circle and oval. So it is different only.
Yeah.
Rest of the shapes somewhat different.
Circle and oval, he is having difficulty in finding out, huh?
No, not in finding out, but in drawing it.
Drawing in the same way.
Yeah, drawing it in the same way. He's able to identify, but drawing is not
Okay.
correct.
Drawing in the same way. Okay, it's not an issue. But he is identifying it correctly, right? Okay. Then okay, Vivan, I'm marking you. Come on, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Triangle.
This is, you have to say this is.
Rectangle.
Mm.
Star.
Star. Very good, Karthikeyan. Well done. Okay, next is Janavi. Yeah, 1 minute, Kavyani. I'll finish with Janavi and I'll come, okay? Come on, Janavi. Janavi. Janavi, name the shapes. Come on. Janavi. Okay. Kavyani. Kavyani. Come on, tell me the shapes. Very good. What are the shapes?
Circle.
Mm. Rectangle. Triangle.
Rectangle. Diamond. Oval. Heart.
Star. Very good, Kavyani. Well done. Darshika. Darshika. Yeah, Darshika, come on fast, Darshika. Yeah, come on fast. Tell me the shapes.
Shapes. What is this? This
Mm.
one?
Rectangle.
Oh,
This one.
that is rectangular triangle.
Triangle.
Mm. Okay, you ask her. See, yeah, you ask her. See whether she is able to identify all the shapes. Okay.
My
Let her play.
favorite.
I don't want to force her. Okay, children. Zeddy. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Finish.
ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Finish, Zeddy. Come on. Finished, huh?
Finish.
Very good, Zeddy. Next is Ritvik. Finish, Ritvik.
Triangle.
Which is triangle? Ah,
Rectangle.
that is rectangle. Mm.
And rectangle or diamond.
Mm.
Heart.
Mm.
Star.
Mm. Very good, Ritvik. Satvika. Yeah, Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth. Mm.
Color orange.
Mm. Don't need to say the color. You just tell me the shapes only.
Square.
Mm.
Triangle.
Mm.
Diamond.
Mm.
Oval.
Mm.
Star.
Mm.
Heart.
Mm.
Rectangle.
Very good. Well done, Siddharth. Satvika finished.
Sorry.
Thank you, Siddharth. Satvika finished. Satvika. Unmute and tell me, Ma Satvika. Finished? Satvika is not there. Okay, Vishank, did you finish? Vishank? Vishank, finish, ma? Okay, children, time is running out. We are going to start the session. Vishank, finish?
Yes.
Hey, what have you drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
What have you drawn? What is that? Come on. Okay, some shapes you have drawn. What is that shape? Come on, tell me the shapes and man and all you have drawn. Very good. Next. Tell me the shapes. Yeah, 1 minute, Zeddy. 1 minute, okay?
Circle. Diamond. Rectangle. Huh?
What is this shape?
What is that? I'm also not able to see. Triangle, ah? Triangle.
Triangle.
Heart, where is heart shape?
Heart.
Heart. And where is square? Square, no square?
Square.
Square. Very good, Vishang. And something I've drawn. What is that, Vishang? Who is that man there? Who is that man or who is that? What is that?
Thickman.
Nice, Vishank. And thank you, Zeddy. Zeddy, why laughing? You only drew it and you're laughing, huh? Come on,
Yes,
Zeddy.
Yes.
Tell me, Zeddy. I already asked you, right? That's it. I didn't ask you. Okay, come on, tell me.
All shapes are identified correctly, ma'am.
Very good, Zeddy. Well done. You're a good girl, Zeddy. Come on, give high five to your mama. High five. High five to mama. Yeah, good. Okay, children. Hope we have finished with everyone. Satvika, you joined. Okay, Satvika, tell me, ma. I called her, but no answer. That's it.
Problem in audio and video.
Me or her for Satvika?
For us.
Okay, okay. Okay, now tell me, Satvika.
Tell something.
Circle.
Hmm.
Square. Square. Triangle. Diamond. Oval. Heart. Star.
Very good, Satvika. Thank you so much. Give high five to your mama.
Say high
High
five.
five. Good. Okay, children, who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Come on, fast. Who is going to say? Hashini, yeah? Hashini. Yesterday, who told Kids Anthem? It was Tarnika. Right. Today, Hashini, yeah? Others, anyone wants to say? If no one is going to say, I'm going to ask Hashini to say. Who is going to say? Come on. No one? Who is going to say? Danvin. Okay, Hashini today, Danvin will say. Okay, Hashini? Yes? Nightik. Today I said Danvin. On Monday, Nightik will say. Okay, Nightik?
Okay.
Yes? Thank you, Nightik. Okay, come on, Danvin. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Ready, start. Kids Anthem.
Lord tell me, Lord to fly, Lord of win, hypertension, Lord of win, infection, uniformity, hypertension, today I bless, Lord of mine, I say like you, hypertension is
Very good, Danvin. Well done, Danvin. But that is, what you said is, you are. Okay? What will you say? You are. Okay? You does something you said. It's not like that. It is you are. Okay, Kanna? Very good, Danvin. High five. Well done, Danvin. Good boy. Okay, children. Good morning. All of you unmute and tell me good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, children. Very good morning, children. Very good morning. Okay, shall we start the attendance now, Darshika? Darshika.
My name is Dashika, studying Junior KG.
Well done, Dasika. Devarakshita.
Say
Hey,
louder.
Devarakshita, you joined and you didn't even wish ma'am today.
Say good morning loudly, sir.
You didn't say good morning to ma'am. Oh my God,
Louder,
what to
louder.
do?
Ice
Come
cream
on, say my name is Devarakshita.
Sollu, Papu. Good morning, ma'am.
No laughing. Come on, say.
Wow, super. I am DK Devarakshita. I'm studying
Wow.
junior KG.
Yes, a big hug for Devarakshita. Devarakshita's mom. If I
Okay,
were
ma'am.
there, no, I would give her a big hug on my behalf. Very good. High five,
Call her
Devarakshita.
ma'am.
High five, Devarakshita.
High five,
It took
high five,
it took
Devarakshita.
6 months for us to say this attendance, huh? Okay, Devarakshita. Thank you so much, Kana. Next is Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
My name is Nikki. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Dhanvin.
My name is Danisha. I am in Ma'am. I am 20
Who's that ma'am? Vishank. I will ask you, Vishank. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Hashni.
My name is Ashini. I am studying.
Junior KG. Sit properly, Hashni. Sit properly. Look at ma'am. What are you doing? Something you're working for your mama? Sit properly. Sit straight.
Kitsy anthem parlena angry.
Oh, Hashni. Hashni, on Monday, okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
No angry. Yes. Don't become angry on Venla ma'am, okay? Venla ma'am is very pavam. Okay, Janavi. Janavi. Janavi, first look at ma'am. Is pencil important than ma'am? Okay. Karthikeyan, good. Karthikeyan. Very good, Karthikeyan. Sorry, Kavyani.
I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Well done, Kavyani. Nukshita. Sorry, Naitek.
My name is Nai. My name is Nukshita. I am 4 years old.
Nukshita.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years
Very
old.
good. Rohita.
Wait. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు.
Pranita.
Good morning, I am Brenda. I am studying junior. I am Kirti girl.
Very good, Rohita. Sorry, Pranita. Ritvik. Something happened to me today.
I am Devi. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
How are you now, Ritvik? Are you okay today?
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
very.
fine.
You're fine. Well done, Ritvik. That's so cute. Nitila. Nitila.
I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Sathika Singh. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
My name is
Very good, Siddharth. Kidzi girl. Are you a kidzi girl? Oh. Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Tilakar. Tilakar. Vishank. Vishank. Why are you shouting? What happened? Come on, tell me your attendance.
I'm coloring now.
Huh?
Good morning.
I'm
Your
coloring.
hand is only coloring, right?
Say.
What your mouth is doing? Come on, tell me your attendance and you color. My name is Vishank.
Ma'am,
My name is Vishal.
my name is Sushank. I'm in junior KG.
Very good. Vivan.
Vivan, your turn. Attendance.
Oh, that frog came and fell to me. See, I have the frog in my hand. You throw it, right? You threw it on me. Okay, Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut. Hi, Vidyut. Wow, it's going to rain today, really. Well done, Vidyut, and thank you, Vidyut. Okay, give high five to your mama. Come on. High five. Yeah. Next is for mama means you are giving to ma'am. Oh my God, Vidyut. Okay, next is Zadi. Zadi.
My name is Debbie. I am 4 years old. I am Mr. Jane. I am Kitty.
Very good, Zadi. Lakshana. 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 Lakshana is not there. I saw her in the morning. Lakshana, can you hear me, ma? Okay, children, we'll start our session. Rhymes. Yes, butterfly rhymes. Only we are going to sing. Who knows that rhyme can sing today, okay? Yes, come on. Who knows the butterfly rhyme? Who is going to sing? Who is going to sing the rhyme? First, okay, ma'am will sing first, okay? All of you mute yourself. Ma'am is going to sing first, then you can sing, okay, children? First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay? Yes? Who can sing now? Who can sing now? Yeah, Danvin, come on. First comes the butterfly.
सत्यमा पढ़ना केसु मैम को.
First comes butterfly and lays. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar will form a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss.
Yes, blowing a kiss to your mama. I taught you the rhyme and you are blowing the kiss to your mama, va? Naughty boy. Okay, next who is going to sing? Thank you so much, Danvi. Next who is going to sing?
Vishak.
Vishang. Wow, Vishang. Come on, Vishang. First comes the butterfly.
Angry.
This boy always angry. Yes? Yes, always angry. Why always angry? You like only angry face, huh? You don't like happy face, smiley face? Yes, are you going to sing or not, Vishang? Come on, Vishang.
Sing.
First comes a butterfly
And lays an egg.
that is an egg.
Out comes a
The
caterpillar
feather
with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes a pretty butterfly and blows a kiss.
kiss.
Vishang, this rhyme was sung only by your daddy. So the credit goes only to your daddy. Okay? Next, who is going to sing? Rohita, va? Come on, Rohita. Rohita.
comes to చెప్పాడు నా దగ్గర కాదు మ్యామ్ దగ్గర పాడు.
And the butterfly
Loudly, Rohita.
the caterpillar. And the vine.
వినిపించిలా పాడుతా.
Rohita, I can't hear you clearly, Rohita. Okay. And blows a kiss only I can hear. Yes, yes.
ఒకసారి మ్యామ్ మీతో
She will sing everything to you correctly. But when I am asking, no, I don't know what is happening to her. Okay, Pranita, you want to sing? Come on, sing, Pranita.
హమ్మింగ్ చేస్తుంది మ్యామ్ హమ్మింగ్ చేస్తుంది.
First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, children. Thank you so much, children. Yesterday we learnt about frog. Yes? Life cycle of a frog. Yes or no, children? Do you all remember that? Yes? Pranita, mute yourself, ma. Yesterday we learnt about life cycle of a frog. Frog is a marine animal, farm animal, wild animal or amphibian. What is a frog? Frog is a amphibian. Okay, frog is a amphibian. Okay. Now what is the first stage? What is the first stage, children? Eggs. Okay, now next stage, tadpole. Very good. Next stage, froglet. Okay, and then adult frog. Okay, eggs, tadpole, froglet, and adult frog. Okay, children, who is going to say it correctly now? Tarnika, come on, say ma. Mutta. Come on.
Egg, tadpole, froglet, light frog.
No. Adult frog. Adult frog. Okay. Next, who is going to say well done, Tarnika? But hereafter, don't say mutta and all. Next, who is going to say Siddharth. Okay. Come on. Siddharth. Eggs.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. You changed the whole life cycle. See here. Is this caterpillar? Tadpole.
Froglet.
Okay. Adult frog. Okay. Next is Dev Krish.
Now say.
Egg.
என்ன பார்க்க கூடாது மேம் பாருங்க.
Mamawa, this is Mamawa. That's what you're looking at, Mama. Froglet.
Full frog.
Very good. Full frog. Very good. That's also easy, right? Well done. And thank you so much, Devkish, for that thing. Full frog. Okay. Hashni, why are you crying, Hashni? Why Hashni is crying? Hashni. Hashni. What? Ma, come on, say this. Next.
அடுத்து
Adult frog. Very good, Hashni. Okay, children, next we are going to go to our phonics, that is sight words. Okay, shall we see? Come on. What is it, ma? Come on, what is this? Am. Very good. An. As. As. Very good. At. Okay, all of you mute yourself. I'm going to call one by one and ask you. Come on, mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. All of you. Yes? Zeddy, come on, say what is this? AT? Very good, Zeddy. Okay, next is Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Thank you so much, Nukshita. Next is Vishank. IF.
IF. IF.
IF.
If. Look at ma'am.
IF. If. Very good. Next is diction. Diction. IN. In. Very good diction. Hashini. IS. Is very good. Darshika. IT. Very good. Kavyani. OF. Very good, Kavyani. Kartikeyan. ON. On. Janavi. Janavi, you are going to read the word. ANT. Ant. Very good. Sorry. Tarnika, read the word.
Bag.
Very good. Kartikeyan.
Bag.
Huh?
Bag.
BAT. Bat. Darshika.
படிங்க.
BED. 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 Very good. Next is diction.
Here we a boy.
Huh?
Boy. Boy.
Boy. Very good diction. Danvin. Very good, Danvin. Nitik. 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 Come on, tell me, Nitik. Cap. Very good. Nitila. See the picture and tell me what is this. If you can't read also, you tell me what picture is this. Nitila. 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 CAR. Car. C.
சொல்லு நான் சொல்றது சொல்லுங்கம்மா சொல்லு
C.
நித்திலாமா சொல்லுங்க.
What picture is this, Nitila? Nitila, what picture is this?
சொல்லு சொல்லுமா சொல்லுமா சொல்லு.
So, come on, you say. என்ன picture அது சொல்லுங்க, என்ன picture அது?
சொல்லுமா சொல்லுங்க தங்கம்.
Yes, Nitila. Car. Nitila, it's a car. What is it? Car.
சொல்லுங்க.
Okay? Okay, Nitila. Next is Rohita.
cat.
Very good, Rohita. Pranita. Pranita. Cow. Janvi. Janvi. See?
What letter is this? Tell me.
Next one, ma. See?
What letter is this?
U. C. Cup. Very good. Satvika. Others also can say, children, don't keep quiet. You can also say in your place. Yes? DOG. What is DOG? What picture is given? DOG. What is that picture? Dog. Okay? Dog. Who called me? My children, who called me? Who is that? Oh. Did I miss anyone? Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik, come on, read the word. C.
P
C.
U
Rit. Mm.
P
Mm. CUP, cup. Very good, Ritvik. Next is Zadi. Zadi, read the word.
Did you read the words? Look at its name.
what?
Huh? This one?
This one cow.
Read the word, ma. Spell it out first. C.
E.
C
Mm.
O
Mm.
W cow.
Cow. Very good, Zadi. Siddharth. Siddharth. Mm.
C
Mm.
E T
Mm.
T
Who is that? My Siddharth.
cat.
Sale.
Very good. Kavyani, ah? Okay, next Siddharth.
Sale.
C
C.
car.
Very good, Siddharth. Next, who is going to say this? Devarakshita. Devarakshita. Devkrisha, wait, Devkrisha. I'll call you, okay? Devarakshita. Come on, Devarakshita. What is it? C. Devrakshita, can you hear me, ma? Devrakshita. Okay, Devkrish, come on, you say Devkrish.
Say.
Mm. 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 Cap, very good. Darshika.
படிங்க.
Yes.
Mm. Mm.
Bus.
Very good. Nightek. Nightek.
B B
Mm.
O Y.
Mm. Very good, Nightek. Devarakshita.
Yes,
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now come on, see the picture. Read the word.
What is this?
B. B. Mm.
Unmute your line.
B. A. T. Mm. What is it? Bat. Very good, Devarakshita. This one, this also you read B. B. A. G. B. A. G. Bag. Very good and thank you, Devarakshita. Children, I'm going to come out. Okay. Before that, we'll have a small recap of the marine animals also, children. Okay. What is this, children? Marine animals. Okay. Name the marine animals. Come on. Dolphin. Dolphin. Next. 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 Seahorse. Very good. Next. Sorry. Crab. Very good. Next. Fish. Very good. Next. What is it? Stingray. This is stingray. Okay. Next one. What is it? Shark. Very good. Shark. This one. Squid. Very good. It's a squid. Okay. Thank you, children. I'm going to come back. Children, who stop? Children, whose talk time is today, children? Whose talk time?
At the bus,
Yes.
at the bus.
Yes, ma. Tell me your name, Siddharth.
Satvika.
Naitik.
Yeah.
Satvika. Naitik, Satvika and Siddhartha. 3 of you. Right? Okay, first Naitik, come on. Start Naitik.
Yes. Good morning. My name is Naiti. I am going to talk about wild animals. Wild animals are living forest. Wild animals eat, drink in the forest. Wild animals are tiger, lion, elephant, kangaroo, monkey. Thank you.
Well done, Naitik. Okay. Okay, next is Satvika. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, say. Start.
Good morning, Lady Laban. I'm telling you,
She taught attendance and she's telling attendance.
I thought she's starting like this. Okay. Satvika.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. I'm talking today. I'm talking about hidden animals. Hidden animals, anyone see? Blue whale. Blue whale is the biggest marine animal. Sharks are very dangerous. Dolphins are very intelligent. Jellyfish are umbrellas of the earth. Octopus are 8 legs and starfish sleep from sea. Seals eating slowly. Squid are big eyes. Thank you.
Well done, Satvika. Well done. Very good, Satvika. Okay, next is Siddharth.
Good, Satvika.
Ma'am, good morning. My name is Siddharth. Going to tell you about marine animals. Dolphin, stingray, shark, seahorse, shark, starfish, starfish,
Starfish.
marine animals lives in water. அப்புறம் இது என்னது? Jellyfish. அப்புறம் இது என்னது?
What?
Shark. Marine lives in water.
Okay. Next. That's it, huh? That's it? Yeah, very good. And I want you to take the worksheet D67LT. Yes, D67LT. Only one worksheet we are going to do today. We'll finish it off and end our session. Okay, children? Come on, take D67LT. Write the date. Today's date is 1/6/16, 10/2020.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
D67 LT.
367.
You don't have this sheet? Trace the letters, color the objects that start with the same letter sounds. Have?
We have frog sheet, ma'am. This one, ma'am.
Which sheet? Okay, let me check. Let me check with my worksheet. How many of you don't have that sheets? Let me know.
Vanilla ma'am, frog seat
Yeah.
backside.
Frog sheet backside. 1 minute, I'll check and tell
Two
you.
papers.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll check with my book. Others, how many of you have the same issue? Or else we'll quit this sheet.
We have, ma'am. Dhanvin has the sheet.
Dhanvir is having
Yakrish
this
also
sheet.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
next
1 minute.
frog seat there is.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Amma, this is collection. Amma, this Sarah. Sarah to collection.
Tracing sheet is there. This sheet you don't have. After this
Ma'am,
sheet,
we have. I'm sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
this one we sticked it, right? We sticked yesterday, right? Life cycle of butterfly. After the sheet, you will have this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You and we.
Yes, ma'am.
You have oh my god. I thought how it got missed out. Okay, children, take that sheet, write the date, and start tracing the alphabet first. You and we. The worksheet that is in the workbook only we have that PDF copies. Other worksheets we don't have. You, we. Trace it and first you have to circle. Okay, what is related to you? Okay, you and we. Okay, you for Dave Krish, you for tomato or you for umbrella? Tomato or umbrella? Dave Krish, you for umbrella. Yes, you have to circle umbrella and then only you have to color. First you'll finish circling all the related pictures. Okay. V for, next is Dhanvin. V for van or V for table?
V for table
Yes.
and
V for van or V for table? Table. No, no.
no.
Answer பண்ணுங்க.
Then say V for van. Drive Dick's van round the village. That song itself you have the van word, right? Okay, van. Next is you. Nitek. U for sun or U for unhappy. So, children, this is not sad. This is unhappy. Okay? You can say like that also. Unhappy, it also means sad. Okay? Unhappy. Which will come? Sun or unhappy? Very good, Nitik. Very good, Nitik. Unhappy. Next is V for vulture or V for butterfly, Darshika?
Vulture.
Very good, Darshika. Come on, now you color, children. Who finished? Children, try to color inside the boundary, children, okay? I've come to junior KG. Next, you will be going to senior KG. At that time, no one is going to teach you how to color. Okay? Now itself, you have to try coloring inside the boundary. Slowly you do it. Take your own time. You can color creatively also. You can give different colors. It is not necessary that one color only you have to color. Trace it, circle it, and then you color. Devarakshita, what are you doing, ma? Devrakshita. Lakshana joined today.
Ma'am, she's coloring, ma'am. Devrakshita.
Okay, color. Color, ma. Good girl. What alphabet is that, Devrakshita? What are you tracing? What alphabet are you tracing?
Band.
Alphabet. What alphabet is there in that worksheet? 2 alphabet is there, right? What is that? Point out with your pointer finger and say.
No, push. Point over this one.
2 alphabet we have. What is that? Huh?
Not the same.
Something she's saying, but I'm not able to hear. What is that, ma?
Wheels on the bus rides and telling
No, alphabet, ma. U and another one. What is there? U and V. Okay, U for umbrella, V for van. U for unhappy, V for vulture. Yes, very good. Yes, I'm going to come back, children. 1 minute.
Tarnika, finish, ma'am.
Tarnika finished. Good, Tarnika. Danvin finished. Good. Yes, come on. Be ready for the fire in the mountain.
Fire in the
Be ready for the fire in the mountain. Yesterday, we finished F, G, H, I, J, right? Today, K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. Very good, diction, very good. Those who finish, take your cards. K, L, M, N, O. Very good, Siddharth. Devrakshita. Devrakshita, I don't think so. It is workbook. What book are you having in your hand? Workbook only, huh? Okay, good. Do. Very good, Devrakshita. Wow, Devrakshita, it's going to rain today, really. Very good. You be like this itself, okay? I love Devrakshita if you are being like this. Okay, Kana?
I finished.
Yeah, good, Naitik. Well done, Naitik. Come on, be ready for the activity. Time up, Naitik. K, L, M, N, O. Yes, Pranita. Cards K, L, M, N, O. Ready. Very good.
Fire in the mountain.
Ready. Water. What letter? K, L, M, N, O. Kavyani, come on. Be ready, Kavyani. I said daily we'll finish 5 letters, right? K, L, M, N, O.
Ma'am, very
Ready? Finish, ready? Yeah, be ready. Karthikeyan, good ma. Very good, Karthikeyan. Well done. Pranita, why are you unmuting yourself, Pranita? And there is nothing to talk, you can mute yourself, no? Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Rohita, mute yourself. Be ready. That's it. I can see everyone. You just be ready. You need not call me and tell me. I'm seeing everyone. Zeddy. Jaldi, Zeddy. I'm going to start the activity. K, L, M, N, O. See, Devkrish already ready. Very good boy. Devkrish, Danvin, Rohita, Pranita, Then Siddharth, he himself is running. Okay, run. Hashni.
Tanika ready, ma'am.
Tarnika. Hashni, are you ready? Yeah, Hashni is also ready. Satvika is ready. Very good. Dikshan is already playing. Okay, children, shall we start? Okay. I want Dhanvin and Devkrish to unmute yourself and you are going to play now. Okay, Dhanvin, Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, now unmute yourself. Okay, ready? Fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the
Ante.
mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Stop. Pick up the card. M.
M.
लैपटॉप में लिखो
Yum. Ma'am, yum.
Keep the card aside, children. Keep the card aside. Next time, okay? Now, fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Stop. Pick up the card. O. Very good, children. Okay, now keep it aside. Fire in the mountain, run. 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 Pick up the card. L.
L.
Very good, children. Well done, children. L. Finish and keep it aside. Keep it aside. Now, fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Fire in the mountain, run. Now, pick up the card. N. Pick up the card. N. Very good. Now, what is left out in the chair? What is left out in the chair? What is left out in the chair? What is the chair? Very good. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done, children. Thanks for cooperating. I'll see you on Monday, children. Bye. Bye.
Bye.